Hey guys, today we'll discuss adjectives. So what are adjectives? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. We use adjectives to describe how something feels, looks, sounds, tastes, and acts. Adjectives describes noun by answering 4 questions. What kind? Which one? How many? And how much? If adjective is describing noun, it comes before the noun. Let's see examples. Philadelphia is an old city. This sentence, city is noun and old is an adjective. In this sentence, adjective is giving us information, what kind, and old. So it describes noun. That's why it comes before the noun. As I have mentioned before, if adjective is describing noun, it comes before noun. Next example. Philadelphia has an interesting museum. In this sentence, museum is a noun. So what kind of museum? Interesting. So interesting is an adjective and it is describing what kind of museum. And as I have mentioned before, usually adjective comes before noun, it describes. So this is noun and this is an adjective. Next example. Philadelphia has many museums. In this sentence, again museums is noun and many is an adjective. So in this sentence, adjective is describing noun by answering how many. So how many museums? Many. Next example. One museum is named after Ben Franklin. Again, museum is noun and one is an adjective. In this sentence, one is number and number are also act as an adjective. You can tell that number is an adjective when it answers the question, how many? One museum. And numbers usually go before other adjectives. Other adjectives, for example, if we have like one large museum, so number will come before large. Next example. Many people wore bright clothes to the annual parade. In this sentence, people is noun. So first question, how many? Many people. So many is an adjective. So in this sentence, an adjective is answering question, how many people? The word many is an adjective and it is used to talk about an amount. And when we use many or much as an adjective, they come before a noun which shows the quantity. So in this part of the sentence, clothes is a noun, bright is an adjective. In this part of the sentence, adjective is answering what kind. Bright clothes. Describing noun, what kind. The last part of the sentence, annual parade. Now parade is noun, it means march, and annual is an adjective. In this part of the sentence, an adjective describing noun by answering which one. So which one is it? Annual parade. So annual is an adjective. So in this sentence, we have 3 adjectives, many, bright, and annual. 2 swans. Next example. 2 white swans have built a nest there. Now in this sentence, swans is a noun. And we have 2 adjectives. 2 white. Adjective white is describing what kind. And we have number adjective, number acting as an adjective. 2. As I have mentioned before, number comes before other adjectives. So we have number, then other adjective, and then noun. When two or more adjectives describes the same noun, the order in which they appear follows a pattern. Number comes before adjectives that describe size, shape, color, and other quantity, and other qualities, as I have mentioned before. So in this sentence, two is number adjective. That's why number is before white color. Next example. Next example. They used many dry Next example. Two white swans have built a nest there. In this sentence, swans is a noun and we have two adjectives, two and white. Two is number adjective and white is describing what kind. When two or more adjectives describes the same noun, the order in which they appears follow a pattern. Number comes before adjectives that describe size, shape, color, and other qualities, as I have mentioned before. So in this sentence, two is number adjective. That's why number is before color, white. Two white swans. Next example. They used many dry twigs to make the nest. Many dry twigs. In this sentence, twigs is a noun. So we have two adjectives describing same noun, twigs. Therefore, we are following the pattern. Many, dry. Number adjectives comes before the adjectives that describe size, shape, color, and other qualities. So many is answering question, how many? How many twigs? Many. So many, and after that dry. Or dry is describing what kind. So we are following pattern. Adjectives that describes number or quantity will come first, and after that other kind of adjectives. I hope it's clear. In my next video, we'll learn different types of adjectives and how to punctuate a series of adjectives and position of an adjective in the sentence.